notes, our best notes. I'm halfway to playing the striped piano. Then right there in between those best notes, I'll play chords for the striped piano sound.
There is that no striped piano. I'm always at the striped piano. Striped piano. Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, yeah.
Cause my right hand goes over the melody I make up. Then my left hand plays tricks with the rhythm, and both hands are taking it out. My fingers feel breezy, they're easy on the keys. They're light and the feet are grooving together with the moving bass first for me.
Oh, I can never be lonely. You got me everything that I need.
I feel good, I feel strong, nothing bad can go wrong. Nobody has command what a woman needs to have. There's such an appealing, powerful feeling, still with a handful of keys. I like to think like a piano.
I like to play it in a sabol manner.
Ang tanong ko presyo magustana, kisan dari my fingertips.
I like to sing a little tune that's mellow.
To look like it's nothing swallow.
Alam tuwa pa sa pulma lang, teacher's sleeping ako my legs.
A handful of keys and a song to sing. Ba, ba, ba. Tickling Jerry singing jive. Ba, ba, ba. Bend those old white notes, bend those old black notes, bend those old 8 notes, bend those old gold notes. Try that old left hand, try that old right. There's a chilly pop of feeling, still we have for keys.